Why is crypto down today? November 20th, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. The market is searching for stability, where the path forward depends on whether demand can re-emerge around key cost basis levels, or whether current fragility gives way to a deeper corrective phase or bear market. According to Glassnode. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 23 minutes ago. The crypto market is down today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization largely unchanged by the time of writing, decreasing by 0.2%, now standing at $3.22 trillion. 65 of the top 100 coins have gone down over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at 188 billion. TLDR. The crypto market capitalization is largely unchanged on Thursday morning, UTC. 65 of the top 100 coins and 8 of the top 10 coins decreased today. BTC increased by 0.4% to $91,757, and ETH fell by 2.2% to $3,008. BTC fell to its lowest level in months and could decrease further. The market is reacting to wider economic uncertainty. The market is searching for stability. Demand can re-emerge or bear could appear. Large BTC holders are still buying, which is a sign of underlying strength. Kenya has rolled out Bitcoin ATMs inside major Nairobi malls. US BTC spot ETFs broke the read streak with $75.47 million in inflows, while ETH spot ETFs saw $37.35 million in outflows. There's likely to be a surge of new ETFs in 2026. Bitwise Matt Hogan said that demand for regulated crypto products is huge. Crypto market sentiment dropped again within the extreme fear territory. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, only 2 of the 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices rise over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, has appreciated by 0.4% since this time yesterday, meaning it's mostly unchanged, currently trading at $91,757. Bitcoin, BTC, $92, 275.60 9.27%, 24H730D1Y all time. Ethereum, ETH, is down by 2.2%, now changing hands at $3,008. This is the second highest drop in the category. The highest decrease is 2.3% by Binance Coin, BNB, which currently stands at $900. The only other green coins is Solana, SOL, which appreciated 1.9% to $142. When it comes to the top 100 coins, 65 are red at the time of writing. Among these, one saw a double-digit gain. Cosmos Hub, Atom, appreciated by 13.5% to the price of $3.10. It's followed by Zcash, ZEC, which is up 8.7%, trading at $670. On the other hand, Canton, CC, fell the most in this category, 13.8% to $0.094. Kronos, CRO, is in the second place, having dropped 3.8% to $0.1081. According to Glassnode, the market is searching for stability, where the path forward depends on whether demand can re-emerge around key cost basis levels, or whether current fragility gives way to a deeper corrective phase or bear market. Bitcoin could fall further. Zondacrypto's CEO Przemysław Kral commented on Bitcoin's price moves, saying that the coin has fallen to its lowest level in months. Moreover, there is potential for it to decrease further. The market is reacting to wider economic uncertainty, in particular concerns about a potential AI-driven stock correction and diminishing hopes for interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve, Kral writes. However, large BTC holders are still buying. This is a sign of underlying strength and confidence in the project, even though the price is falling. For some, this could be a chance to enter the market at a lower price than we've seen recently. Therefore, it is important to recognize the risks. Volatility is high and the macro environment can change quickly. Kral concludes that, in times like these, remaining informed and taking a thoughtful, steady approach is far more effective than trying to react to every big market shift. Moreover, Bjorn Schmicke, Chief Executive Officer of Aurelian, Nasdaq's first Tether Gold Treasury, stated that the recent volatility across digital asset markets has renewed focus on foundational assets. While market sentiment frequently fluctuates, this shift presents a strategic opportunity to capitalize on proven value and structural resilience, says Schmicke, adding that the future will see gold and digital assets converging, not competing. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Thursday morning, BTC stood at $91,757. The coin moved between the intraday high of $92,943 and the low of $88,540. This dip into the $88,000 territory was brief though, with the price swiftly recovering to the current level. BTC is now down 11.5% in a week and 14.8% in a month. Additionally, it's 27.1% away from its all-time high. If BTC manages to break through to the $99,000 level, it could retest $115,000. However, should it move lower, it could test critical zones between $83,800 and $75,000. Ethereum is currently changing hands at $3,008. Over the past day, it has moved within the range of $2,872 and $3,103. Overall, the coin is now down nearly 15% in a week, 22.6% in a month, and 39% from the ADH. ETH could move above $3,100, further breaking through the $3,250 zone, should the bulls run the market. Conversely, the price could decrease to the $2,800 level and then towards $2,730. Ethereum, ETH, $3, 034.68-11.18% 24H730D1Y all time. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment stands unmoved within the extreme fear zone. The crypto fear and greed index has gone back to 15 today, compared to 16 yesterday. The last time the level was this low was in mid-April 2025. It seems that both new and old hands are selling this time around. Many are concerned over the dropping prices, worried about an incoming bear market. That said, once oversold, the market may be ready for a rebound. ETFs see mixed picture. On Wednesday, the US BTC Spot Exchange Traded Funds, ETFs, broke the latest outflow streak with $75.47 million in inflows. This raised the total net inflow slightly to $58.3 billion. 2 of the 12 BTC ETFs saw positive flows, and 2 recorded negative flows. BlackRock and Grayscale took in $60.61 million and $53.84 million, respectively. At the same time, Fidelity and VanEck let go of $21.35 million and $17.63 million, respectively. At the same time, the US ETH ETFs have continued their outflow streak for the 9th day in a row, seeing another $37.35 million leave on November 19th. The total net inflow pulled back to $12.84 billion. 1 of the 9 funds recorded minor inflows, and 2 saw outflows. Invesco recorded $2.93 million in positive flows. At the same time, BlackRock released $24.59 million, followed by Grayscale's $15.69 million. Meanwhile, analysts are predicting that there will be a surge of newly approved cryptocurrency ETFs in 2026. Notably, Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan told CNBC that demand for regulated crypto products is huge, and that more than 100 new ETF filings could come next year. Moreover, Kenya has rolled out Bitcoin ATMs inside major Nairobi malls to test its new crypto law. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has seen a very minor decrease over the past day, while the stock market closed higher on Wednesday, anticipating Nvidia's data. By the closing time on November 19th, the S&P 500 was up by 0.38%. The Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.56%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.1%. Market participants are waiting for the U.S. September jobs report, coming today, which was delayed by the government shutdown. Is this drop sustainable? The market has been quite indecisive over the past day, remain largely unchanged compared to this time yesterday. Participants await further signals on the market direction. At this point, we may see it swing either way, though larger moves are less likely. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for November 20th, 2025. The crypto market is largely moving sideways today, with pockets of strength emerging across select sectors. Layer 2 tokens outperformed the broader market, climbing 0.52% in the past 24 hours, driven by sharp gains in Starknet, plus 17.49%, and ZK Sync, plus 15.23%. Bitcoin edged up to reclaim the $92,000 level, while Ethereum slipped 1.93% and continues to hover near $3,000. NFTs and AI tokens also saw modest upticks, led by Zora, plus 4.82%, and Fetch AI, plus 9.45%. Meanwhile, DeFi, Layer 1s, meme coins. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Why is Tether so profitable, and will it last? XRP Price Prediction. Millions vanish from XRP funds, are institutions quietly dumping before a bigger crash? Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live NVIDIA earnings report today. Wall Street braces for Q3 results. Will NVIDIA beat expectations? Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. European banking giant goes all in on ETH tech. Is ETH the future of finance? 17 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 42% of holders are losing money. How low can XRP fall? 13 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 3 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.